talking. Honorable educators, dear teachers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is technical education. Education is the cornerstone of building the nation, and technical education is the type of education that refers to the latest technology like machinery, AI, and other scientific tools. Through technical education, nations can grow rapidly because it helps in industrial growth more than aerospace. Technical education plays a vital role in reducing unemployment. It contributes strongly to economic growth. And exports can also increase through technical education. Technology is ready to adopt in every sector. But in Pakistan, there are a lot of weak points in adopting technology. Because our education system is not fully implemented, how you are there are many techniques to fulfill this gap. Overall, for the growth of the country and the nation, technical education is important worldwide. Technology is growing rapidly and for the development of the nation in all areas. Technical education must be the first priority. However, technical education reduces unemployment. Unemployment is the major cause which does not allow a nation to grow. Unemployment is the major cause which does not allow a nation to grow. But if the people of the country get technical education, they will get jobs happily and succeed to others. The people of nation which are aware of technical skills can happily start small enterprises like freelancing, digital scholars and vocational trainers. Technical education increases the opportunity of employment in every sector. Dear listeners, if education is provided through technology, the youth will become skillful. And for a skillful generation, it is easy to adopt new technology like AI, robots, automation, and renewable energy. This enables the country to avoid falling behind in global competition. However, chief guest, in Pakistan, there are many weak points in technical education. For example, Pakistan does not have as many institutes as needed. If there is a lot of modern machinery are less. This is mainly because of a poor curriculum. However, parents and society still do not understand the work of technical education. Dear listeners, technical education is not only to pay jobs, but it is also the backbone for building a nation such as economic growth and all.
Increasing the wealth of the nation, reducing imports, and increasing exports
For the development
for the development of a nation, and